Hello students, welcome to SST class. In today's class, we will be doing the 10th chapter of geography, that is life in the deserts. Desert. What is a desert? A desert is defined as a region characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation and extreme temperatures. There are two types of deserts. First, hot desert and the second one is cold desert. Hot deserts are found in tropical regions and are found away from the coast in areas where moisture from oceans rarely reaches. Sahara is an example of hot desert. And if I talk about cold deserts are found in high altitude such as polar regions. Ladakh is an example of cold desert. You can see on this map various hot and the cold deserts. Sahara Desert. Sahara is the largest hot desert of the world. It covers nearly the whole of North Africa. It has an area of about 8.54 million square kilometer. Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. Atlas Mountain lies to the northwest of the Sahara. Sand is the most important feature of a hot desert. Sahara is covered with vast stretches of sand, but there are also gravel plains and elevated plateau with bare rock surface. If we talk about the climate of Sahara, so Sahara Desert has the climate of scorching hot and parched dry. Most of Sahara receives less than 20 millimeter of annual rainfall. The temperature difference between day and night could be as high as 28 degrees Celsius. Average temperature of daytime is found to be 38 degrees Celsius. Hot southerly winds carrying dust blow in the southern part of the Sahara. Flora and fauna of Sahara. The climate conditions in the Sahara are not suitable for the plants and hence only grasses, cactus, shrubs are found. Date palms are also found in oasis region. Camel, hyenas, jackal, foxes, scorpion and many variety of snakes and lizards are also found here. Life of people of Sahara Desert. Despite harsh climatic conditions in Sahara, various group of people reside here to perform different activities. The oasis in Sahara and the Nile Valley in Egypt support settled population. The true groups of people living here are the nomads and the agriculturists. The Bedouins and the Tuaregs are two important nomadic tribes. The Tuareg, also known as the blue men of the desert. They live in groups. The men are mostly herders and traders, while the human make clothes and bedding from animal skin. They wear heavy robes. Wherever irrigation is possible, fruit trees like date palms and bare vegetables are grown here. So that was all for the first subtopic of this chapter, that is the hot desert, Sahara Desert. Now the second one which we are going to do is a cold desert named Ladakh. So let's understand it. Ladakh is a cold desert located in the Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir in India. It has the Karakoram range in the north and the Zanskar mountain in the south. Various rivers including Indus flow through Ladakh. The rivers form deep valleys and gorges. Various glaciers like Gangotri glaciers are also found in Ladakh. The altitude in Ladakh varies from 3000 in Kargil to more than 8000 in Karakoram. Ladakh is also known as Khapachun, meaning snowland. Climate. Due to high altitude, the climate in Ladakh is extremely cold and dry. The air in this region is so thin that the heat of the sun cannot be felt intensely. Rains are very rare. The temperature varies from 0 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius in summer, while winter temperature may remain 40 degrees Celsius for most of the time. The area experiences freezing winds and burning hot sunlight. Flora. Due to harsh climatic conditions of temperature and altitude and higher aridity, the vegetation in Ladakh is sparse. There are scanty patches of grasses and shrubs for animal grazing. Plants grow only in the valleys and sheltered spots. Groves of willows and poplars are also found in valley. During the summers, fruit trees such as apple, apricots, and walnut bloom. Fauna of Ladakh. The Siberian ibex, Ladakh ural, rare hungal are found here. Variety of birds including robins, redstart, Tibetan snowcock, wild sheep, wild goats and special kinds of dogs can also be seen here. People rear animals to provide for milk, meat and hides. Milk is used to prepare cheese and butter. Life of people of Sahara Desert. Ladakh has very less population due to harsh climatic condition. The people of eastern Ladakh are Tibetan Buddhists who speak Ladakhi language. Some famous Buddhist monasteries or gompas are Hemis, Thiksey, She and Liamaru. The people of western Ladakh are mainly Muslims who speak Balchi language. In summers, people in Ladakh are busy in cultivating potatoes, peas, beans and turnip. The people are hardworking in making woolen clothes, handicrafts and textiles. Tourism is an important industry here. Sindhu Festival in June is organized every year to promote tourism. So, I hope you have understood these two topics very well. So that's all for this chapter. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.